Greetings viewers, this is Jignasu N. Chauhan, Head of the Department of Mathematics, Sri M. and Virani Science College, Rajkot. In today's session, we are going to learn how to download and install the popular mathematical software Scilab. This version or release of the software we are going to install is 6.1.0 for Windows. In order to download the setup of the Scilab, first of all, let us open any browser like Chrome or Firefox. In order to download the latest setup of the Scilab software, let us write latest setup of Scilab in the search engine Google. Then click enter, and we observe that we are getting a very first link, which is the official website of the Scilab, www.scilab.org. We just click on this link. In order to reach at this page, download page of the scilab.org website. On this download page, we can observe that we are having various links of different versions of the Scilab software, and we observe that the latest version is Scilab 6.1.0. We just click on this link of Scilab 6.1.0. On clicking, we observe that we are here with various links for different operating system for the setup of Scilab. Here we are given two links for Windows operating system, the setup for Scilab 6.1.0 Windows 64 bits and Scilab 6.1.0 Windows 32 bits, and other operating systems like Linux and Mac OS are also included over here. As in this session we are going to download setup for Windows. First of all, we must be aware that which kind of operating system is installed on our computer or laptop. If you have got a laptop or the computer in which you have Windows 32-bit operating system installed, then you have to click on the second link and download the setup of the Scilab for 32-bit operating system. But I have got a desktop in which Windows operating system 64 bits is installed. So I am going to download the setup for Windows operating system 64 bit. So friends, now we have downloaded the setup and we have kept this setup in the folder of our choice. I have kept this setup right now. at my desktop. So let us start installing the Scilab software. In order to install the Scilab software, let us find this kind of icon and double click or right click and open the setup. Then the wizard for the dialog, the setup will start, and Windows will ask you whether you want to run this file on your computer. We just say affirmatively that yes, we want to run this file. Then the setup wizard will open with the dialog box which looks like this. Here the setup is asking us for the language. Let us keep it English as it is. Otherwise there are other options also available, but let us keep it English. We have to just accept the agreement, as Scilab is an open source mathematical software. It does not require any license fees, and we have to just accept the license agreement and press next. By default it will be installed in the C drive in program files. It will create Scilab minus 6.1.0 folder if it is not there, and if you want to install it in any other directory, you can just browse it. So we just keep the directory as it is and we press next. Again we press next, and next, and various options are being asked. We keep it as it is by as default, and we just press install. It will take at the end of this installation process, you have to just click finish, and here again it is given that if you want to launch the Scilab at the end of the setup process, at the end of the installation process or not. If you keep this checked, it will launch the Scilab. If you keep this unchecked, it will not launch the Scilab. Let us keep it checked, in order to launch the Scilab. Let us click the finish button in order to complete the installation process, and you can observe that the Scilab software has been installed on your computer, and the interface of the Scilab is being displayed. Here we can observe that there are almost 5 windows. The main interface lies here, that is Scilab 6.1.0 console. Here it is a variable browser, command history window, and news feed. This one is the file browser where our files on our computer can be seen or accessed. We will learn very much in detail in the sessions that follows this session about the Scilab in detail. Thank you very much for this session. If you have not subscribed my channel, then I would like to request you to just subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.